Hi, I'm Nonit Ahluwalia, producer and actor, Postman Mummy. First of all, me and my team, we are very happy and grateful to be part of 16th Dada Saheb Phalke Film Festival 2026. So the idea of the film Postman Mummy came in a very interesting manner. हम किसी और प्रोजेक्ट पे काम कर रहे थे एंड ड्यूरिंग द ब्रेक माई डायरेक्टर एंड राइटर शी जस्ट फ्लोटेड द आइडिया एंड आई वॉज इंस्टेंटली ड्रॉन टू इट. द रीज़न वॉज बिकॉज मुझे लगा ये तो मेरी मम्मी की कहानी है. आई कुड सी माई मॉम इन आराध्या and I could see the struggle. So I thought that I have to make this film, and the only drive is to actually honor the silent labor and make it visible. So this story is very, very, very important to me, and it is a tribute to my mother and to all the ladies who are acting as the postman in order to keep their loved ones together. बहुत सारे रोड ब्लॉक्स आए थे. इनफैक्ट आई लर्न दैट in filmmaking, your plan is only as good as your ability to handle the unplanned. So a lot happened. I'd like to start with कि सबसे पहले सबसे बड़ा एक जो रोड ब्लॉक होता है किसी भी इंडी फिल्म मेकर के लिए, that is definitely finances, and we were not very different. So the budget for this one was extremely tight, and we had to be very smart with every rupee we were spending, and we didn't have the luxury of fixing everything with money, so we had to call in favors and all of that. And there was one more crisis, which was that just a day before the shoot, one of our primary actor backed out, and at that time I really got worried because I couldn't stall the project at that moment because crew was finalized, everybody was booked, and but luckily we found the right fit. और वो कहते हैं कि जो होता है अच्छे के लिए ही होता है. So in the movie all the characters are very fitting to their role, and I'm very happy about it. So yeah, we faced a lot, and yeah, one more thing, we thought that we will shoot the entire movie in one long shift, but that couldn't happen, and because obviously there was chaos, it was a small place we were shooting in and all of that. So, and the actor being new, and a lot of time was going in prepping. So but then we spoke to all the actors and we spoke to the crew, and they all understood and believed in the subject as we did. And everybody cooperated, and definitely the budget jumped by like a 50%, but I'm very thankful to my entire team. I would say I've made a beautiful film with a beautiful team, so thank you. So the original vision of the film was completely different from what it is, because initially we thought that we will make it in a very comical manner. We'll touch the topic, but we'll make a light-hearted comedy. But when the script came in and we were discussing and everything was happening, and I don't know, like what shifted, and I just discussed with my entire team that I don't think so that we should unnecessarily make it funny or put in any melodrama into it. So we just decided to keep it very real, very honest, and we have not made it overly cinematic or anything like that. So when you'll watch the film, you'll actually feel that it's a real house with real people having real conversations, so you'll be able to relate it. And I think that is the USP of the film, that it is a very honest film, and nothing has been tweaked, and I'm very happy that we made that decision, and I'm very happy the way film has turned out. Yeah. Before talking about the target audience of the film, I would like to talk about how relatable the film is. Like I said, I made this film keeping in mind the life story of my own mother. So when my mom saw the final cut, she had tears in her eyes. And I also got a call from a relative of mine, and she said that नॉनेद तूने मेरी लाइफ की कहानी बनाई है क्या? एंड शी वॉज क्राइंग एंड आई टोल्ड हर, दीदी आप रो रहे हो बट यू डोंट नो द काइंड ऑफ वैलिडेशन यू हैव गिवन मी फॉर माई मूवी, विच इज नॉट अ वेरी गुड थिंग टू से, बट yeah, so that's how relatable the movie is, and that's how important the topic is. That's how important it is to tell this story, because this mental exhaustion that every woman is facing, it kind of damages you. And in between fulfilling the demands, in between, you know, conveying the messages, in between maintaining the balance between the husband and the children and the grandparents and the in-laws and the parents, everybody, you generally forget what is your own want or your own demand. So it is not easy to live that life, and we simply take this very granted and we don't even think about it. So yes, it's a very important topic which is to be told. And when I'm talking about women here, I'm not talking about only middle class women. I'm also talking about high society women, and I'm also talking about working women. So the pressure of balancing the whole act is, I think, equal or maybe more. So yes, that is why I would say that the target audience would be every woman, every mother, and every daughter who would start seeing their mother as an individual. And I really hope so. We have also shown the movie to many people for feedback, और मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा फीडबैक मेल्स से भी ये मिली है कि you know, yeah, we don't realize and this actually happens, and the communication is very important. So they understood the importance of communication after watching the film, and it was very relatable to them also. I would say that audience should watch this film to see the strength of silence, and it is a very honest film. It is a beautiful story which is very relatable. It also addresses a very important issue, and that was our entire intention of making this film. So please guys, do watch it, and I really hope that you will enjoy and like it. And message to emerging filmmakers. Well, I would say that I'm in my second act of life, and what I have learned is that it is never too late. So if there is a story जो आपको बतानी है, I would say just take the first step. उसके बाद आपका एक्टर भाग जाए, आपका बजट डबल हो जाए, nothing will matter. Everything will fall into place. It's just matter of starting. So just take that first step and go ahead. And my best wishes are with you all. Thank you. So our film has been running into the festival circuit for good 6 to 8 months now, but now we are actively looking for a good digital platform to release it, so that it can reach wider audience. And yes, we are onto it, and if you guys are interested, please reach us, and we'll be glad to discuss it further with you. Thank you. I would like to send my warm wishes to Dada Saheb Phalke Film Festival. It is a great platform for creativity and storytelling. Good luck to all the filmmakers and the entire team for the event. Thank you.